Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to make slime. So, today we're gonna make slime. Really easy. So, um, so this is the way how it looks like with clear glue. I'm gonna use clear glue, not white glue today. So you're gonna need borax. You need borax, clear glue, something to mix with, a medium bowl, a small bowl, cold or hot water, food coloring if you want a specific color. So, now this gets started. First, take your medium bowl. So, it's gonna put like so I'm gonna add like 1 ounce of water. Actually, I'm gonna add 2 ounces of water. So I'm just going to add my borax. Add a spoonful, but I don't have a spoon right now, so I'm just gonna add it like this. So now you're gonna mix. So just gonna put that aside and take my medium bowl. And now I'm just gonna add my clear glue. You guys could do white glue, but I like clear glue better. So I'm just gonna keep adding. So now I'm just gonna fill this up with water. So now I'm just going to add this water. This is what water. Now I'm just going to just gotta close this and shake. Whoops. It wasn't completely closed, sorry. Now you're just going to mix. Now you're just going to out of this in here. So now you're just going to mix again. I want a pink color, so I'm gonna add 1 dot of red. this is how it looks like. It's nice and pink. Now feel free to add your borax solution into your glue solution. When you start mixing, you should get your slime. Wow. So, I have pink slime. You can't, after when you mix a little bit with your fork or spoon, it's time to use your hands. Yep, hands. So, I'm just going to go to the bathroom because I'm going to wash my hands right when I get ready. So, let's get messy. Ugh. Just gotta take that. Now just going to mix it with your hands. I'm pretty sure that this will soak up most of the water. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Especially comment. Decide what I should make next. Or if I could make different ingredients. Like if I can make slime out of different ingredients. I have plenty of videos how to make slime. I even have a video how to make Play-Doh slime. So please watch my other videos. Slime, Play-Doh slime, how to make slime. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Especially comment. Please comment. I don't care about the subscribe and like. Just please comment, guys. So, thanks for watching. Yeah. Bye.